Welcome animal enthusiasts and curious minds alike to our channel. We're about to embark on a captivating exploration into the world of animal nutrition. But before we delve into the unique dietary needs of our fantastic fauna, we have a small request. If you enjoy our content and want to stay updated on our latest videos, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to ring that bell icon to receive notifications. We love hearing from you, so please feel free to share your thoughts, insights, and any intriguing animal facts you might have in the comments section below. Let's ignite a discussion on this topic, shall we? Now, without further ado, let's dive into the fascinating dietary world of our animal friends. In this journey that we are about to embark, it's important to clarify that we are not doctors, scientists, nutritionists, or part of a veterinary staff. We are simply passionate individuals deeply concerned about the health and well-being of our animal friends. We believe that knowledge is power, and by sharing what we've learned, we aim to spark a dialogue about these crucial issues. We acknowledge that these topics can sometimes be intense, even a bit depressing. However, without a lively conversation about these matters, our understanding remains shallow and our actions uninformed. We understand that everyone leads busy lives, and it's easy to dismiss these issues as irrelevant to our day-to-day existence. But it's essential to remember that we share this planet with millions of other species, each playing a vital role in maintaining the delicate ecological balance. Our actions, no matter how small, can impact their lives and in turn our own. Therefore, it's crucial for us as humans to understand this delicate balance. Our future and the future of countless other species depends on it. So let's dive in, learn and grow together for a prosperous future for all inhabitants of our beautiful planet. Now let's take a closer look at how unique the dietary needs of animals can be. Have you ever wondered why a lion dismisses a fresh salad, or why your adorable parakeet doesn't crave a juicy steak? The enigma is unraveled within the fascinating realm of animal nutrition. In the wilderness, animals do not whimsically choose their diet, but their food preferences are dictated by their unique nutritional needs that vary widely across the animal kingdom. Let's delve into the dietary needs of our domestic friends, the cats, for example. These creatures are obligate carnivores, meaning they depend entirely on nutrients found in animal-based products. One such nutrient is taurine, a vital amino acid absent in plant life but essential for the welfare of cats. A lack of taurine can lead to severe health issues in cats, such as heart disease, blindness, and potentially death. It does make a person wonder if humans themselves should be consuming everything that we do, if it can hurt other animals so extremely. On the other end of the spectrum, our bovine companions, the cows, predominantly sustain on a plant-based diet. Being ruminants, they boast of a specialized digestive system equipped to ferment plant material, thus enabling them to extract nutrients like cellulose, a component out of reach for humans and many other animals. However, this doesn't imply that cows can freely consume any plant they encounter. Certain vegetation house toxins that are detrimental to cows, accentuating the need for a balanced, varied diet for our friends. Assuring they are fed with the appropriate plants is vital to provide them with essential vitamins and minerals for their health, longevity, and productivity. A lack of this balance could lead to malnutrition, reduced milk output, and a compromised immune system. This brings us to an important aspect: the consequences of feeding wildlife. It is critical to understand that every creature has unique dietary needs, and while it may seem harmless or even kind, feeding them food outside their natural diet can actually cause harm. Human food in particular can lead to obesity, malnutrition, disease, and dependency on human sources. In extreme cases, it can disrupt the natural behavior of animals and disturb the balance of the ecosystem. Therefore, we must respect the dietary requirements of animals and refrain from interfering with their natural food. Let's embark on a journey into the diverse world of omnivores, remarkable creatures that rely on both plants and animals for sustenance. A standout example of such dietary adaptability is the bear. Bears boast a diet as diverse as nature itself, consuming plant-based foods like berries and roots, as well as meat products such as fish and small mammals. But it's important to note Feeding wildlife can present dangers as it can cause them to become reliant on humans for food, potentially causing aggressive behavior. Therefore, maintaining their natural diet is essential for their health and the balance of the ecosystem. Soaring up to the heavens, let's turn our gaze to birds, our cohabitants of this planet who showcase similar dietary diversity. The bird kingdom is rich in species, each having unique dietary specifications. Take hummingbirds, for example. These rapid flyers are nectar lovers, depending on its high sugar content for the energy they need for their dynamic lifestyle. Yet artificial feeding can lead to malnutrition and disease, reinforcing the importance of their natural diet. At the other extreme, eagles are primarily meat eaters, favoring a diet of fish, reptiles, and other birds to meet their nutritional demands. Remember, providing food for these birds can disrupt their hunting, lead to an imbalance in local wildlife populations. Thus, the wide-ranging diets of both bears and birds highlight not only the adaptability and versatility of omnivores, but also emphasize the critical need to preserve their natural feeding habits for the well-being of the entire ecosystem. Why is understanding animal nutrition crucial to you? Comprehending the dietary needs of various animals, particularly our pets, is essential not merely for their health and longevity, but it also teaches us about our own dietary requirements. Mistakes made in feeding, such as feeding dog like a rabbit or a cat like a horse, can lead to severe health problems and even death. Each animal's nutritional needs are unique and intricately tuned to their age, size, and lifestyle. Our learning goes beyond the confines of our homes and pets. It has been found that feeding wildlife can be detrimental to their health and disrupt the ecological balance. For instance, feeding bread to ducks can lead to a condition called angel wing, which prevents them from flying and therefore surviving. Similarly, feeding human food to bears can make them dependent and less fearful of humans, leading to problematic encounters. The animal kingdom is a fascinating mosaic of dietary needs and eating habits. For example, cats are obligate carnivores, while cows, as ruminants, derive their nutrients exclusively from plants. Bears showcase their adaptability as omnivores, and birds have a smorgasbord of diets based on their species. Notably, animals adhering to plant-based diets, like cows, can thrive and grow to large sizes. This observation substantiates the viability of more plant-driven diets for humans, broadening our dietary varieties, which not only provide all necessary nutrients, but also come with added benefits, such as lower risks of heart disease, high blood pressure, and obesity. So, the next time you see a giraffe nibbling on tree leaves or a squirrel stashing away nuts, remember there's more to these simple actions. They're not merely eating. They're satisfying their unique nutritional needs in their own distinctive manner, much like how we humans do. Each animal species, just like us, has its own interpretation of a balanced diet. So understanding animal nutrition is not only intriguing, but also vital for maintaining of both our pets and wildlife and for our own well-being. Picture this. You wouldn't pour soda into your car's gas tank and expect it to run smoothly, would you? In the same way, animals need the right food to stay healthy, but what happens when they don't get the right nutrients? From obesity in house cats due to excessive carbohydrate intake to metabolic bone disease in reptiles due to calcium deficiency, the adverse effects of an imbalanced diet in animals are diverse and severe. Just as feeding bread to ducks can lead to angel wing, feeding a dog a diet high in sugar can result in diabetes, and it's not just about physical health. Poor nutrition can also lead to behavioral issues. For example, parrots fed an inappropriate diet can develop feather plucking habits. Now, let's turn the mirror towards ourselves. Humans, as great primates, are not immune to the effects of poor diet. Consuming too much processed food, sugar, and unhealthy fats can lead to a plethora of health issues, from obesity and diabetes to heart disease and certain types of cancer. So if it makes an animal sick, is it actually food, even if it tastes like food? Remember, eating is not just about instant gratification, it's about nourishing our bodies and minds. When animals eat, they are not just filling their bellies, they are fueling their bodies with the nutrients they need to live, grow, and reproduce, and the same goes for us humans. So it's not just about what tastes good, but what's good for us. After all, we are what we eat. And understanding the importance of proper nutrition, is the first step towards a healthier life for both us and the animals we share this planet with.